at Christ the King Seminary, Quezon City. Took up general psychology at UP. Took up communication arts in Ateneo. Started work building since 1996 during second year high school pa lang. Isa din po siyang international business trainer and consultant. At of course, educator and motivator, a brand endorser, market specialist, known business builder, has led numerous groups and enter the business. Don't focus sa mga maiingay, but always focus kung sino ang nanatili at tumagal sa industry. Ayon po ang ating mentor for this webinar. Hindi pa yan tapos ha? Marketing specialist, no, a certified millionaire and millionaire maker. Kaya talagang go, go, go. Kasi pag nasa umbrella niya tayo, gagawin niya rin tayong milyonaryo. A humble leader with a heart full of passion, strong will, with lesser focus, determination. Totoo po yan. Dynamic and full of positive energy. A guy who don't accept no for an answer, a founder of Dubai Dynamics. So our presenter for this webinar is the founder and president of Superlife World Dubai is no other than Coach D. Coach, the floor is yours. Thank you.
Yehey, yehey! Oh my goodness! Wow, so super evening, morning, afternoon sa lahat po ng nasa Zoom. Thank you so much Coach Sandra for an amazing introduction. So ayan ano. Okay, so alam ko lahat ay excited na at talagang back to regular weekly presentation tayo mga kapatid ano. At salamat. Wala yata akong sound saglit ha.
Okay naman Coach, naririnig crowd and
Hello, may sound ba ako?
Yes, Chairman, meron.
Yun. Sige, sige. Okay, so ayun lahat tayo ay excited at bumalik na naman tayo mga kapatid sa ating regular weekly presentation. So, inunahan ko na kasi sa mga susunod na weeks, so siyempre ibang mukha naman na makikita nyo po na magpipresent. So, today and tomorrow, so meron din tayong complan. Ako na rin muna po ang babanat. And then after that, by next week, so ibang leaders naman. Kumbaga, ito nga yung sinasabi natin na lead by example before bago ka mag-deploy ng mga leaders mo, so kailangan ikaw muna to show them na seryoso ka sa ginagawa mong trabaho at negosyo ng mga kapatid. Alright, so by the way, so bago ako mag-umpisa, makikipagtsikahan muna ako sa inyo today. So kamusta po ang 2024? Okay, alam kong dumaan ng maraming holidays. Lahat ay naging busy. Lahat ay napalaban sa mga gastusan. So, let's talk about yung health naman natin.
Mag-shopping, Coach. Coach D, mag-shopping ka naman.
Sino po?
Mag-shopping kaya.
Choppy?
Ngayon, okay naman. Kanina nag-shop.
Nagcha-choppy po. Okay, ayan. Siguro medyo, tumatalon yung bala. Okay, so by the way, so makikipagtsikahan muna ako sa inyo, marites muna tayo. So, kamusta naman po ang natin, ang mga health natin ngayong 2024? Kumbaga, unang tanong na gusto kong itanong sa inyo today is, kasi ito tinanong ko na to last year. And this year, I want to see some increase or some changes kung gaano nakataas yung consciousness nyo sa inyong health. Kumbaga, on the scale, okay, ito dapat makita ko to, i-record ko talaga, actually naka-record to, no? Last year kasi I asked these questions also. And today, sa pag-i-start ng ating weekly presentation, tatanungin ko na naman kayo, no? So, sa first thing is, on a scale of 10, pakitype sa ating chat box. On a scale of 10, 1 to 10. So, How conscious are you with your health this 2024? Type. Tingnan natin. 2024 na ha, yung health consciousness natin ngayong 2024. Gaano na kayo ka-conscious sa inyong mga kalusugan? Wow, panay 10, no? Very good. So, may 8 pa rin. So, ayan, sige, malalaman natin. Kasi last year, nung tinanong ko to, marami, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, nakakatuwa kasi yung iba talagang nag-10 na. O, next question. Are you healthy? Gaano ka ka-healthy ngayon? Ngayong 2024, on a scale of 1 to 10, gaano ka na ka-healthy ngayong 2024? Tingnan natin. Dati 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So marami na nag-increase. So wala na ako nakikitang 3, 4, 5. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. Alright. So nakakatuwa mga kapatid ano yung resulta ng initial preview natin or review ng ating mga kung kasi kung kung pagbabasihan natin yung health condition natin last year at saka this year at saka yung health conscious natin last year and this year, so malaki na ang pagbabago. At ang gagawin natin today, okay, this 2024, patataasin pa natin yan. Patataasin pa natin. Okay? So at yan yung pag-uusapan natin today. Okay, isa lang po ang pakiusap ko to start my presentation. Okay? Pakimute po lahat para hindi pa ako maantala kasi dire-diretso po ito Alright, at habang nagpi-present pa ako, i-close ko muna yung video ko kasi naaantala tayo ng internet. Thank you so much po. So ayan mga kapatid, welcome to Super Life So kasi ang pag-uusapan natin today is a healthy you. A healthy you with is TC30. At tinanong ko na kayo kanina on a scale of 10, how conscious are you with your health until 2024? Maraming pagbabago na. So another question ay gaano ka ka-healthy ngayon 2024? Malaki na rin ang in-increase siyempre. So nakaka-amaze mga kapatid yung resulta nung nagdaang taon ng 2023 and 2024 would be an amazing year again to all of us. All right? Alam niyo kung bakit amazing? Kasi the best gift to ourselves is always a healthy you. The best gift to yourself is always a healthy you. Always remember that. All right? Kasi ang katawan natin, we were created by God perfectly in order. Ibig sabihin, dahil nga tayo ay kawangis ng Diyos, everything is perfect. Okay? Always remember that. So, ibig sabihin, alright, that your body is the temple of God. Kawangis siya ng Diyos Panginoon, mga kapatid. Kaya alagaan, mahalin. Kasi if you love yourself, that's the only way only you can love your family and you can love your loved ones. You cannot love your family, you cannot love somebody if you don't love yourself. Always remember that. Alright? Laging tandaan, perfect tayong ginawa ng Diyos. Pero anong nangyari? Lumipas ang panahon. Lumipas ang mga taon. Nagkaroon ng maraming disorders at given yan. Di ba? So, yung mga payat, lalong tumaba. Yung matataba, lalong pumayat. Nadaming nagkasakit. At pag-uusapan natin yung ilang mga bagay at mga nagiging sanhi, dahilan ng pagkakasakit ng katawan natin. Today, yung mga disorders na nangyari in between habang tayo ay lumalaki. Alright? So unang-unang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng disorders, counting review lang to mga kapatid. Unahin na natin yung tinatawag natin na isa sa silent killer, yung radiation. We're talking about the cellphone, okay, the gadgets, the microwave. Pag lumabas ka ng bahay, yung tinatawag natin na UV radiation that penetrates directly inside our skin. Alright? Hindi natin mapipigilan yan. Another factor that affects our health system or our body are unhealthy foods. Ayan. Very common kayo sa mga pagkain ito. Yung mga processed foods, noodles, canned goods, junk foods. Nandyan lahat yan at lahat yan masasarap. Tama. O nakaka-affect yan mga kapatid. Alright? Even unhealthy drinks. Unhealthy drinks. Yung mga carbonated drinks, soft drinks, alak, and everything. Alam na natin lahat yan. What else? Unhealthy lifestyle. Pag sinabi mong unhealthy lifestyle, yung mga nagbe-vape, nag-smoke, yung mga kulang sa exercise, kulang sa tulog. Yan ang ilang mga aspeto na nakaka-apekto ng ating kalusugan mga kapatid. Another thing, what about the environmental pollution? We're talking about water pollution, land pollution, the air pollution. And we are breathing and living on it every day. What else? Mental disorders. Eto, marami ang hindi aware about it. At sometimes some people are suffering with this na hindi natin alam. Ano ba yung mga mental disorders? Alam niyo ba mga kapatid na silent killers yan today? We're talking about stress, depression, anxiety, phobia, fear, trauma. Maraming mga kakilala tayo ang may pinagdadaanan na hindi natin alam. Akala mo healthy, pero hindi pala. Alright? So ito ilang lamang mga kapatid sa mga umaapekto sa ating kalusugan, sa ating health system. Ang dami. Alright, kumbaga, ito yung nangyayari. Yung mga normal cells natin, okay, every time na inaatake ng tinatawag natin ng mga free radicals, yan yung mga pinakita ko, yan yung mga free radicals, nadadamage yung ating mga cells. Kung mapapansin mo yung next image, ito naman yung cells attacked by oxidative stress. Yan yung cycle. Anong nagiging resulta? Nadadamage yung ating mga cells. So always remember, alright, na yung katawan natin ay made up of cells. And when the cells are damaged, madadamage yung tissues, madadamage yung organs, magkakasakit ka. Alright? So nakaka-alarma. Ngayon, ang tanong mga kapatid, what will you do then? Nasisira, naaapektuhan yung ating mga cells, yung ating health system. Anong gagawin mo ngayon? Nakakapag-isip ka ba? So, lalaklak ba tayo ng mga food supplements? Mga capsules and tablets? Or kakain na lamang ng mga healthy fruits or healthy vegetables? Nakakatakot naman kung aasa na lang natin sa mga food supplements yung nutrition natin. Ngayon, kung kakain ka na ng mga healthy foods, napakamahal naman. Tama. Which is ayon sa mga pag-aaral din, even foods itself are not enough to provide us the perfect nutrition, yung go, grow, and grow na tinatawag. So basically mga kapatid, na daily basis, meron na talagang deficiency nangyayari sa katawan natin. Alright? So, ang good news, itong si Superlife, na company natin, okay, came up with an amazing idea, giving hope to everyone by manufacturing a product, formulating a product to help us protect and strengthen our system to fight from the free radicals and the effect of oxidative stress. Introducing STC30, ang makabagong formulation ngayong 21st century. Ano nga ba ang STC30? Ang STC30 is the flagship product of Superlife World. Ang ibig sabihin, Superlife Total Care in 30 days na isang plant-based stem cell. Stem cell product. Hindi na bago sa mundo ng industriya ng medisina. Kasi pag sinabi mong stem cell, ito ang tinaguriang sikreto ng pagpapabata, health, and longevity. Alright, ngayon, ito yung napanood nating video kanina, hindi ko na ito ipi-play. Kasi ginamit na ito ng ilang article.
Trending balita.
Hindi ko na yan ipi-play. Ilan ito mga celebrities, sa mga kilalang tao na napanood natin like 10 years ago, 15 years ago, who started using the stem cell therapy. Na talaga marami ang mga personal testimonies na maganda naging epekto sa kanila na tinatawag natin na stem cells. Alright, ngayon, para mas maintindihan natin ng mas mainam at mas malalim, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng stem cell? Alright, lalo sa mga bago at nag-uumpisa o first time attending the Zoom, what is stem cell? So ayon sa mga pag-aaral, stem cell is a mother cell that transforms every cell into different cell types in our body. Yan yun. So remember mga kapatid, how our body started kung paano kung paano nabuo yung katawan natin, di ba? Nung nagkaroon ng love making yung mama at papa natin, nagsalubong yung egg cells and sperm cells, nabuo yung zygote, nabuo yung stem cell, from that cell nabuo yung mga tissues, and then from the tissues nabuo yung mga organs, and then from the organs nabuo yung human system, and that is you. And you have now at least 37.5 trillion cells in your body. Yan yun. So ibig sabihin, pag sinabi mong stem cell, that is the beginning, alright, ng lahat ng parts of our body. So ibig sabihin, pag sinabi mong stem cell, like for example, yung nerve cell ay nagiging brain. Yung heart cell, nagiging heart. Yung muscle cell, that makes the muscle cell, the muscle. The intestinal cell, that makes the intestine. The liver cell, that makes the liver. And there are 220 different cell types in our body. So yan yung trabaho or part ng ating katawan natin na cell or stem cell. This is the basic unit of our body. Another definition about the stem cell. Stem cell is also the repair kit of our body. The doctor or the own doctor of our interbody system. So ibig sabihin, itong stem cell na to is yung gumagamot din. Gumagamot din ng mga sirang bahagi ng ating katawan. So ibig sabihin mga kapatid, for your information, that our body has the power to heal itself kahit hindi ka lumaklak ng kung ano-ano. May kakayanan niyang mag-heal itself. At ipapanood ko yung short clip that will explain how the stem cell repairs every single challenge in our body system. Let's look at this.
Whenever there is an injury or a challenge to an organ or tissue, a whole process of renewal takes place in the body to help restore optimal health. Soon after the injury, the affected tissue releases specific compounds that travel through the blood to the bone marrow. When the compounds released by the injured tissue reach the bone marrow, these messengers tell the stem cells in the bone marrow to divide and create new stem cells, which are then released from the bone marrow into the bloodstream. Slowly, the number of stem cells increases in the blood circulation. At the same time, the affected tissue releases another compound called stromal-derived factor 1, or SDF1, that attracts stem cells. As stem cells circulate in the fine blood vessels of the affected tissue and sense the presence of this compound, they stop in the blood flow and migrate into the tissue. Inside the tissue, stem cells slowly migrate to the very site of injury where SDF1 is being secreted. When they reach the site of the injury and come into contact with the damaged tissue, stem cells begin to multiply and then slowly transform into cells of that tissue. Through this process of amplification, one stem cell can become thousands of tissue cells. It is through this natural process of renewal that the body maintains optimal health every day of our lives.
So yan mga kapatid, yung transformative power of that stem cell in our body, the doctor of our body. But, alam niyo ba mga kapatid na as we grow old, our stem cell in our body decreases in numbers. Yung power ng stem cell na yan to repair, okay, the challenges, alright, at yung defects in our body, humihina ng humihina. Kung nakikita nyo, 100% yan ng mga baby pa tayo. Kaya mga bata, di ba, pag nasusugatan, mabilis maghilom yung kanilang mga sugat. And as we grow old, sabi ng mga pag-aaral, humihina ng humihina yan. Kaya pagdating ng 60 years old, mahina na talaga. Kaya kung napansin nyo mga kapatid, ng pandemic, ano sabi ng mga governments and hospitals, huwag palabasin ang mga senior citizen. Kasi yung kanilang power to fight a virus, alright, to protect their body from that virus is mahina na. Kaya na 95% who died in the COVID are senior citizen. Kaya nga kung senior citizen ka and you survive the COVID, congratulations mga kapatid. So what is the reality here? So lahat tayo patanda. Hindi na tayo pabata mga kapatid. And we cannot stop aging. So hindi na natin pwedeng pigilan yung tawag natin na stem cell. Hindi na mapipigilan yan. So in other words, to make it more clear, so ganito yan. Uulitin kong muli. habang humihina yung power ng stem cell ng ating katawan, dumadami yung sira ng ating mga cells. Epekto ng mga free radicals at saka mga oxidative stress. Alright? So, yan yung nakaka-alarma. At ang goal nyo, siyempre, kaya nga one of the reasons why we are here in this Zoom is bibigyan natin ng solusyon. Kaya nga, inimbento at pinarmulit si STC30. But take note mga kapatid, ang STC30 ay hindi po capsule, hindi po ito tablet, hindi din po ito gel, and not even a drug. Hindi po ito. At hindi din po ito katulad ng mga supplements na nilalakak na natin ngayon o before. Hindi po ito katulad ng mga ganito. Kasi ang mga supplements ay lahat yan ay mayroon no approved therapeutic claims. Ibig sabihin, hindi po yan gamot. Nakakatulong to boost sa immune system, nakakapagpalakas din naman sometimes. Pero kawawa naman yung ating mga kidneys and liver. Alright? So ngayon, what is the difference between the supplement and the stem cell and the STC30? Ang STC30 mga kapatid, okay, dapat malinaw to, it is a plant-based stem cell with therapeutic claims and healing properties. That is the big difference of STC30 than the other product in the market. Always remember that. With therapeutic claims and healing properties. Baka naman sabihin nyo, baka coach din nagkakamali ka. And I'm very confident mga kapatid to support that. Alright, that claim. You know why? Because STC30 has a lot of global certifications. Kasi lahat ng ingredients na ginamit kay STC30 ay meron pong clinical studies and certificates from FDA. We have US FDA, GMP certificates, MESTI certification, AGL Association in Malaysia, 100% natural, halal certified, phytoceltic certified, SGS and clinically and scientifically proven by SGS, Swiss quality formulation, and even certified by Mebel Group Biochemistry in Switzerland. At marami pa. Marami pang certification na magpapatunay that will support the claims that STC30 has therapeutic claims and healing properties. At magpapakita ko today ng mga samples and testimonies. Alright? Now, our product is being manufactured and produced in Malaysia in our own GMP facility in Malaysia by Superlife World. Ang malapit mga kapatid, and connect and in partnership with Mebel Group Biochemistry of Switzerland na formulate ang ating product. Always remember, our partner Mebel Group Biochemistry of Switzerland contributed with the formulation of the STC30. Kaya nga Swiss formulation mga kapatid. Gamit ang pinakabagong teknolohiya na ang pangalan po ay Phytoceltic, which is an award patented winning innovation in 2003. Ito ay yung latest biotechnology na ginawa ng Mebel Group Biochemistry para mag-culture ng mga live stem cells na gagamitin sa ating STC30. Sa pangunguna ng founding CEO, biochemist Dr. Fred Sully. Alright? 20 years ago, it was 2003 when he started formulating the ingredients of STC30. Okay? Ang STC30 mga kapatid, ito na sinabi ko, hindi capsule, hindi tablet, hindi gel, hindi drug. Ang STC30 is a miracle powder in a sachet. Nakasachet ito mga kapatid. Wow! Ay dito pa lang mapapawaw ka na. Alam nyo kung bakit? Pag sinabi mong powder, dyan pa lang, ibang-iba na. Kasi ang paraan ng paggamit is very unique. Gamit ang nanotech formulation, okay? Paraan ng paggamit ng STC30 or doses in administration is what we call sublingual. Under the tongue. O yan, mas nakakabangha yan. So ibang-iba mga kapatid. Pag sinabi mong sublingual, sobrang bilis niyan. Hindi na yan dumadaan ng digestive system natin. Under the tongue, nandiyan yung mga capillaries and veins, which is actually fast absorption in 2 minutes, nasa bloodstream mo na, nasa cells and tissues mo na. At paano ang paggamit? 1 hour before your breakfast or before your meal. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, from the moment you get up from your bed, okay, walang mumog, walang toothbrush, gamit yung inyong panis na laway, take STC30 right away. Take 1 sachet of STC30. Ilagay mo sa ilalim ng dila, Hayaan mong matunaw under the tongue. In 30 seconds, tunaw na yan. Kasi yan ay powder. Then maghihintay ka ng 30 minutes bago ka uminom ng tubig. And then after another 30 minutes, then you can take your meal or any solid foods. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, Esthesia 30 works effectively on the empty stomach. Always remember that for fast and effective result. So napakaganda ng pagkaka-formulate ng ating Esthesia 30. Amazing talaga. Ngayon, very confident ang company that Esthesia 30 has therapeutic claims and healing properties. Alam niyo kung bakit? Bukod doon sa mga certification and clinical studies na ginawa po ng Esthesia 30, yung mga ingredients na ginamit po dito ay rare, kakaiba. At ito po ay binubuo yung bagong formulation ng ating Esthesia 30 ay mayroong siyam na bioactive ingredients na lahat po yan ay pinag-aralan ng mga biochemists and scientists. Alright? At iisa-isahin natin today kung ano ang mga ingredients na meron po ang Esthesia 30. Number 1, si Malus domestica, Phytoceltic Malus domestica, apple stem cell. O, wag kang magtataka, baka sabihin mo, yan yung apple na nabibili sa supermarket. It's a big no. Ang Malus domestica o Twiler spot lover is an award-winning patented liposomal preparation of apple stem cell from Switzerland. At ang apple po na ito ay na-discovered ng 2003 sa Alpines of Switzerland. Pag sinabi mong Alpines of Switzerland, it is 3,797 meters from the ground. And that year, 2003, doon nag-umpisa, alright, yung development of the ASC, the apple stem cells, possessing the self-healing properties. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea kung paano na-discovered ang Malus domestica or itong apple stem cell na meron po ang Esthesia 30. Ito yan mga kapatid. For your information, meron pong 7,500 breeds of apples globally. Hindi 100, hindi 1,000. 7,500. So anong ginawa po ng Mebel Group Biochemistry? Pumili po sila ng 72 apples and tested in 30 days. Kasi in Switzerland, doon sa Alpines, marami pong apples doon. Ang ginawa nila, kumuha sila ng 72 apples. Tinest. Ibig sabihin, sinugatan lahat yung pinag-aralan. At anong nangyari after 30 days? Yung 71 apples, nabulok. Lahat nabulok. Yung 71 apples. At isa lang ang hindi nabulok. Wow! At ito yon. Yan po yung apple na yan. Ang pangalan, Malus domestica. Phytoceltic Malus domestica o Twiler spot lover. The only apple in the world, alright, patented, kept and preserved in Mebel Group Biochemistry in Switzerland. Bakit pinatent? From the moment that they have discovered that this apple has healing properties, preserve na yan. And is available, not available in the market para kainin. Wala na po yan. Ngayon, ano ang meron ng Malus domestica o Twiler spot lover apple stem cells? Ito po ay nakitaan na mayaman daw po ito sa epigenetic factors and metabolites that ensure longevity of the skin stem cell. Ibig sabihin mga kapatid, if you're talking about the anti-aging effects, napatunayan ng apple stem cells na to that every time you take Esthesia 30, it matches and activates your 80% of your stem cells. Imagine that. O ulitin ko, every time you take one sachet of Esthesia 30 of 1,500 mg per sachet, it activates 80% of pure stem cell in your body. And that is amazing. That combats biological aging and it gives an anti-wrinkle effect. And that is wow. Ang isa pa sa nakaka-amaze na meron ng apple stem cells na ito ay yung tinatawag natin na healing properties. Meron po itong prebiotic. Prebiotic, yung pinaka-famous compound na meron kay apple stem cell ay yung tinatawag po natin na pectin fiber. Ang pectin fiber is an anti-inflammatory. Meron din po itong probiotics. Pag sinabi mong probiotics, good bacteria. At ayon sa pag-aaral ng apple na to, that apple stem cell or Malus domestica has more than 100 million probiotics compound, which is higher than any probiotic properties in the world. Ang apple stem cell na to ay meron ding antibiotics. Hindi lang iisa, kundi 11 natural antibiotics na panlaban sa 11 microbes inside our body. And that is amazing. What else? If you're talking about important nutrition present in our apple stem cell, we're talking about vitamin A, vitamin C, the pectin fiber, the potassium, the energy-giving compound. So ibig sabihin, basically, the apple stem cell promotes cell regeneration, collagen production, increased synthesis, and repair damaged cells and tissues. And that is, wow! Mga kapatid, first ingredient pa lang tayo. Grabe. At for your information, yung apple stem cell na ginamit in every sachet of our tissue 30 is equivalent to 200 apples. Wow! And that is wow. Now, let's talk about the second ingredient. Alright? Alam ko lahat excited. Let's talk about the second ingredient. Alright? Ang pangalan po ng second ingredient ng tissue 30 ay si Phytoceltex solarvitis. Grape stem cell po. At ito naman po ay patented grape stem cell from France. France po ha, yung apple stem cell from Switzerland. The second one, the solarvitis or grape stem cell from France, from the Burgundy region of France. Ano nga ba ang purpose why we eat grapes? Good for the heart, right? Good for the skin, good for the eyesight. At hindi lang yan yung properties na meron po si solarvitis. Ito po ay nakitaan o tinatawag natin na anthocyanin. Extremely high in anthocyanins, which is more than the vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Mayaman din po ito sa collagen for skin elasticity against UV radiation. It reduces the appearance of the sun damage and wrinkles while giving the skin a smoother and firmer feel. Fights aging. Wow! That is a potent ingredient, okay, from the grape stem cell of the solarvitis. The second ingredient. And this is also patented. Let's talk about the third patented ingredient of tissue 30. Ito na po yung ating enzyme. Gumamit din po ang ating laboratories ng enzyme. Ang pangalan, glycoside cantaloupe extract. Pag sinabi mong glycoside, SOD po yan. Superoxide dismutase from cantaloupe extract. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng SOD enzyme or glycoside cantaloupe? What is the purpose? Alright? Ito po ay patented. Pinatent po ito ng P.L. Thomas in the USA, patented in other countries, and even patented in France, produced by Isocell in France. Alright? Ano ang purpose at trabaho ng glycoside cantaloupe enzyme? Booster of our immune system. Uulitin ko ha, enzyme or the SOD enzyme, alright, acts as a booster of our immune system. Alright? To boost our own antioxidants in our body. That is the third ingredient na meron po ang tissue 30. Let's talk about number 4. At dito ka maa-amaze mga kapatid. Bellberry. Let's talk about the family of the blue and blackberries. Alam niyo ba mga kapatid, alright, na ang bellberry, okay, ay recommended by doctors, especially for cancer patients, especially for breast cancer patients. I-research niyo yan. I have done a lot of research about this amazing berry. At always remember, ang mga berries lang ang may kakayanan, alright, they are the most powerful antioxidants in the world, the blueberries. And let's talk about bellberry, the powerful extract added to our formulation that protects the liver, improves the blood peripheral tissues, protects against the kidney failure, skin problems, lowers the blood cholesterol, eye disorders, and even urinary infections. That is the fourth ingredient of tissue 30. Number 5, an amazing ingredient as well. We call it blackcurrant or blackcurrant. This is also recommended by doctors for cancer patients from the family of black and blueberries, which is the most powerful antioxidant in the world. What is the purpose? Regulate the blood flow, strengthen the immune system, boost the kidney health, good for type 1 and type 2 diabetes, soothes the stomach and digestion, protects your brain, joints, and muscle damage. And that's number 5 ingredient of tissue 30. Everything is amazing, right? And let's talk about number 6. All right? The protector. The protector of the cell regeneration. Ang tawag dyan, vitamin C. But, always remember mga kapatid, don't you know that vitamin C is the only vitamin in our body na hindi natin kayang i-reproduce? Kaya ang nilalaklak at kinakain. So vitamin C serves or acts as the protector of the cell in our body to protect us from further damage of the cells in our body. Kaya nga nung pandemic, halos lahat tayo lumaklak ng vitamin C usong-uso dito sa Dubai, yung tinutunan sa tubig. Alright, that's the vitamin C to protect us from the virus. Pero yung vitamin C na ginamit dito ng ating laboratory ay hindi po galing sa orange. At ito po ay galing sa camu berry. And what is camu berry? Camu berry is a rare exotic kind of berry that you can find only in the Amazon forest. Halos hindi ito kinakain ng tao. Alam niyo kung bakit? Sobrang asim. Kasi ang vitamin C properties ng camu berry is times 60 more vitamin C than the other vitamin C. Ang malapit po nito mga kapatid, camu berry is loaded with powerful antioxidants. And that is grabe. With zinc, magnesium, and calcium. Remember that vitamin C is the protector of our cells. That protects the tissues and even our organs in the human body. Number 6. Let's talk about number 7. Especially here in the Middle East. Alright? Alright, let's talk about the benefits of what the vitamin C or camu berry can do in your body. It reduces the risk of infertility in men. Good news. Sa mga hindi pa nakakabuo. Prevents risk of cancer and diabetes. Balances mood swings, mental anxiety. Antiviral and antibacterial. Helps to facilitate growth and protection of muscles. Brightening effects of the skin. Improves blood sugar level. Amazing. Ilan lamang sa mga benefits of camu berry. Alright? Let's talk about number 7. The patent ingredient of Esthesia 30. And we call it golden kiwi seed extract. Hindi ito yung kiwi na kinakain natin sa labas mga kapatid, yung kulay green. And there are 100 or 1,000 breeds of kiwi. At ang kiwi ay hindi na bago, okay, sa mundo po ng medisina. Kasi ang kiwi ay ginagamit na po ng ancient China as an anti-arthritic and anti-hemorrhoidal before. Lalo na yung oil ng kiwi. And this golden kiwi is basically founded and discovered in New Zealand. Mataas po ito sa linolenic acid. This is good for anti-inflammatory, omega-3. All right, and there's a lot of antioxidant present on this amazing product. All right, that's number 7. Number 8. Dinagdagan po nila ng prickly pear cactus. Hindi po yung tangkay, kundi yung bunga, yung kulay pula, which belongs to the family of berry. Na mataas po ang antioxidants, mataas ang vitamin E, ang fatty acid and ang omega. Loaded. Ang malapit pa nito, napatunayan ng mga pag-aaral na ang prickly pear cactus is good, okay, to prevent liver injury caused by chronic alcohol consumption by enhancing antioxidant status and preventing oxidative damage. It is good news for those who are really in habit with drinking alcohol every day. It protects your liver. So may panlaban ka na. That's number 8. Potent ingredient of Esthesia 30. Number 9. Excuse me. Sea blackthorn. Hindi kamatis. Ito po ay a rare kind of berry that normally can be found in somewhere in Northern America, Europe, and somewhere in Japan. Alright, ang sea blackthorn ay napatunayan na mataas din po ang antioxidants. Ang kanilang that protects the liver, the kidney, and everything. Alright, at yan po yung mga kapatid, yung 9 ingredients na meron po ang Esthesia 30. So, let's talk about the holistic approach. Gamit po ang pinagsama-samang 9 ingredients of Esthesia 30, the enhanced Esthesia 30. Ano ang ginagawa nito kapag pumasok sa katawan mo? Alright? That support in both of the strengthen or enhance or function or multifunction in our body. Let's talk about the holistic approach. Holistic. Bakit holistic? It's a natural process of healing your body. Kasi Esthesia 30 has the power to repair damaged cells in your body. It has a power to restore sick cells in the body. It has a power to replace dead cells in the body. It has a power to regenerate new cells in the body. It has a power to replicate good cells. And it has a power to rejuvenate aged cells in your body. Wow! Super wow! At hindi lang yan mga kapatid. Pinapalakas ka, pinapatibay ka, nililinis ang dugo, and detoxify your body. And that is Esthesia 30. So all in all, mga kapatid, Esthesia 30 has the power, or this essential product an enhancer and stimulator has the power to reverse your biological clock. Wow! And that is the good news. Ibig sabihin mga kapatid, when you started using Esthesia 30, tumatakbo yung chronological age mo, yung edad mo tumatanda, pero yung katawan mo mabagal ang pagtanda. Kaya nga yung age will just be a number. Ibig sabihin, if you are 50 years old na and you started using Esthesia 30, ang pakiramdam mo, 30 ka lang. 35 ka lang. Okay ba yun? O di ba, alam ko natuwa kayong lahat. Di ba? Kaya nga ang 21st century mga kapatid ay era of anti-aging. Pampabata kasi lahat tumatanda. And this is the good news for you guys that Esthesia 30 made available to the public. Kaya wag kang pahuhuli. Alright? Ngayon, balikan natin yung system na sinira ng oxidative stress and free radicals. Diba? From normal cells, dinamage nila. Kung i-insert mo si Esthesia 30 and the system, anong mangyayari? Yung dating damaged cells na sanhi ng free radicals, ganyan ang mangyayari, magiging normal. Yung damaged cells na sinira po ng oxidative stress, magiging normal. Nakita nyo? So anong resulta? Oh, happy you, healthy you. Oh, thank you so much because you attended today. So ganyan po kalapit yung ating Esthesia 30. Oh, na-gets nyo na. Alright, now, Coach D, wala naman akong nararamdaman. Pwede bang gamitin ang Esthesia 30 ng mga walang sakit? Of course. Let's talk about the holistic approach to our body. Esthesia 30 works as a functional supplements. Ibig sabihin, kung ikaw lang ay nangangailangan ng mga vitamins, mineral, nutrients from A to Z, this Esthesia 30 is a complete package from A to Z mga kapatid. Hindi mo kailangan lumaklak ng 12 capsule and tablets and gels na ipapasok mo dyan sa katawan mo para sirain yung liver and kidney mo. Hindi na. Esthesia 30 has all of them. Kung ang purpose mo naman ay bumata, lumakas, kumaba ang buhay, so kailangan mo si Esthesia 30 as your stem cell enhancer and activator. Diba? Amazing yan. Let's talk about the effect. Alright? Yung actual effect of Esthesia 30. Let's start. Number 1. When you started using Esthesia 30, you don't feel hungry immediately. You are not tempted to eat junk foods and unhealthy foods then. So that is the good news. Hindi ka mabilis magutom. At hindi lang yan. You are energetic, full of happy hormones. Hindi ka mabilis mapagod. Hindi ka palungkot-lungkot o lantutay dyan. Hindi ka malungkutin kasi ang katawan mo ay nag-generate ng mga happy hormones from Esthesia 30. Malakas at hindi ka mapagod. Patatlo, it fights constipation. Lalo na sa mga nahihirapang dumumi or hindi, dumudumi ng normal ng 3 times a day. Bata, matanda, pwede po ito. It detoxifies your body. Alright? Pang-apat, Esthesia 30 is a natural anti-aging for youthful looks. Wow! Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo? Pang-pabata. O, di ba? Alam ko marami na naman tumawa. O, alright? Next, it balances the pH level of your body. Lalo na sa mga taong nagsasuffer sa tinatawag natin na acid reflux. Acidic. It converts acidity to alkalinity. The secret of Esthesia 30. What else? It lowers the blood cholesterol. Alright? Yan, tinatanggal yan. Tinutulungan matanggal at ma-remove yung mga cholesterol in the bloodstream na nagiging sanhi ng cardiac arrest. Yung pagbara ng mga blockages in the vein. Alright? Na nagiging sanhi ng circulatory diabetes and heart attack. Esthesia 30 can help you on that condition. What else? Esthesia 30 can help and it works effectively on allergies o yung tinatawag natin na hypersensitivity. Skin, nose, lahat. It works effectively. Alright? What else? Esthesia 30 works effectively on goiter, hyperthyroidism, and hypothyroidism. O dalawang klase po ng thyroid ha. Yung hyper, yun yung labas, yung litaw. Yung hypo, yung sa loob. O our Esthesia 30 can help you that to reproduce or to normalize the production of iodine in your thyroid hormones. and thyroid section. Alright? What else? TC30 can help you with any bone problem, and we call it rickets. Sa mga taong may deficiency in any calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus. Yung mga sakit sa mga kaso-kasuan, sa siko, sa tuhod, balakang, kaso-kasuan, alright, yung may mga arthritis, TC30 can help you on that quickly. What else? TC30 can help you if you have gout or you're suffering with uric acid. Napakasakit po niyan. At marami tayong testimonies. Mamaya magpa-play ako. TC30 can help you if you're suffering with rheumatoid arthritis. Yung pasma na may panginginig. TC30 can help a lot of people who are suffering with stroke. Marami tayong testimony niyan. Marami tayong testimony ng stroke. That's why if you know someone who's suffering with stroke, you recommend immediately our TC30. TC30 can help someone who is suffering with sickle cell anemia. Maraming klase po ng anemia, and I'll just talk about two today. Number one is sickle cell anemia. Kulang yung platelets, yung red blood production, red blood cell production, yung hemoglobin. Hindi kompleto. Sickle cell anemia po ang tawag dyan. At kahit i-google mo ngayon, alam nyo ba mga kapatid, that the only cure, the only process that can cure sickle cell anemia is stem cell therapy in bone marrow injection. You Google that now. Alright? Another kind of anemia is yung iron deficiency anemia. Yung production ng hemoglobin or red blood cells. Ito yung mga taong anemic. Ito yung mga taong mabilis mapagod. So TC30 can help you on that condition. What else? It reduces the stress. So panlaban natin sa mga stress, depression, and anxiety. At least kahit paano mga kapatid, it help us to control that, yung ating mga pagiging magagalitin, okay, mabugnutin, etc. Alright? What else? TC30 can help on stomach ulcer. Yung may mga madaling mahilo, yung mga nawalan ng appetite, yung may nagsasuffer ng mga pain, bloating, heartburn, discoloration, nausea, indigestion. TC30 can help you on that condition. TC30 also is working effectively on colon cancer. We're talking about cancers, colorectal cancer and colon cancer. Marami tayong testimony niyan. At yan ay isa sa mga magandang napatunayan po ng ating mga clinical studies that is TC30 working on this kind of condition. What else? Liver disorders. TC30 can help you on that condition. Alright? Starting from liver fibrosis, liver cirrhosis, o yung ating tinatawag na fat liver disease. TC30 is very effective on that kind of condition. Skin problem, like eczema, dito yung before and after using TC30. Skin problem, nandito yan sa Dubai, si Coach Merly, model ka na naman. Melasma for how many years? Ngayon, very confident na. Ayan, papalik-palik yan sa office, wala nang melasma. Because of the effective production of the collagen in our skin. Alright? What else? Infertility. If you know someone, ito, na hindi makabuo, maybe our TC30 can help them. It's another testimony from Dubai. 9 years of married without a child. Just TC30 in 30 days, buntis si ma'am. What else? Ibig sabihin, mga kapatid, in summary, TC30 can help in all the problem in our cardiovascular system, respiratory system or lungs, all the problem in our gastrointestinal system, brain and nervous system, musculoskeletal system, yung ating joints, muscle, and tissues, blood sugar control. What else? Cancer prevention and management. What else? Hormonal imbalances sa mga kababaihan. If you're talking about a hormonal imbalance, excess and deficiency of hormones, na kung saan nagiging sanhi ng any of the one of the gynecological disorders. We're talking about vaginal infection, PMS, yung tinatawag natin na premenstrual syndrome, fibroids, ovarian cysts, PCOS, and bleeding. And even those who are suffering with the fibroids and endometriosis na tinatawag. TC30 can help you on that condition. What else? Sa mga kalalakihan naman, maybe if you know someone who is suffering with prostate enlargement or prostate cancer, TC30 can help you on that, at marami tayong testimonies dyan. Not only prostate enlargement, even prostate cancer. What else? Kung ito ay natutulungan tayo, especially mga kalalakihan, ibig sabihin good news for those who are suffering with ED, erectile dysfunction, dahil yung testosterone production bagsak na. This can be your natural Viagra. Ladies and gentlemen. Wow! Alam ko maraming natuwa. Alright? So, over 135 diseases controlled ng Station 30. Name it from A to Z. Ibig sabihin mga kapatid, any disease that you can think of, Station 30 got you back. Alright? So ngayon, before I end up my presentation, I will just play some testimonies. Alright? Na kung saan mga user po ito ng Station 30 from our team and other teams. Alright? Testimony. Okay? Ito po isang testimony ng Dubai. Itong kababayan po natin na ito ay maraming sakit. At siya na po ang magkikwento sa atin. Ito po ay live niyang testimony in our office in Dubai during our presentation. Pakinggan po natin yung kanyang testimony.
Mag-maintenance, kaya maintenance, diba? So, may mga time talaga na nadadagdagan ng stress. So, yun, ina-atake. So, nung papunta na ako dito, sabi ko, kailangan kong bumalik at makabalik ng Dubai. So, pagkatapos nun, nandito na ako, hindi ko akalain na ma-meet ko ang Super Life. At may nag-introduce sa akin. At sabi niya, yung hypertension mo, yung diabetic mo, yung kidney mo, at saka yung puso mo, ay matutulungan ng Super Life yan. So, yun. Tapos, ang advice sa akin ni Coach Joss, mag-take ka ng 3 times kasi medyo kailangan mo na siya. So, ngayon, nung sinubukan ko yun, naka 1 box ako, hindi ko akalain na may trouble na nangyari, so nag-shock ako. So, yun na yun. Siguro kung hindi ako nag-take nung STC 30 na 1 box na yun, wala na ako nun. Kasi matindi yung nangyari sa akin. As in, nanginginig ako. As in talagang wala. Patay na yung kabila ko. So, yun. So, nung inatake ako, nasa diretsyo na ng hospital ng Dubai. So, hindi siya nag-ano doon kasi kailangan ng neurologist daw, gano'n. Nilipat ako sa Rashid Hospital. So, doon na. Ngayon, nagiging 3 days lang ako doon. So, nung 3 days na yun, maraming mga na-observe sila na itry ko daw na subukan na maglakad. Kasi nakikita nila na strong daw ako, hindi naman ako talagang totally So, nag-ano ako, mga first day lang ata, first day, dumating yung kapatid ko, may dala naman siyang gano'n. So, kahit inano nila ako, kahit ginagamot, injection dito, lahat, nag-take pa rin ako. So, yun na yung picture ko na kung wala din yan, siguro abutin ako ng buwan or mga siguro abutin pa ako ng mga ano. So, malaking tulong sa akin yan. So, maraming salamat ko with God, talagang ginaguide ako na ma-meet ko itong product na to. So malaking pasalamat. Hanggang ngayon, maintenance ko siya. So wala na yung maintenance ko, lahat-lahat. Tapos ko
Hey!
So, happy ako at sana tuloy-tuloy na talaga siya ang paggaling ko. So ito, healthy ako, balik ganda.
Hey! Nice!
Ang problema ko kasi kaya ina-atake ako, hindi ako nakakatulog. Kasi yung insomnia ko, sa daming iniisip, lahat-lahat. Pero nung nag-take ako ng Super Life, ang ganda ng tulog ko. Wow. Bago ko matulog, nagte-take ako. So talagang hindi na kailangan ng vitamins or whatever kasi nandito na siya lahat-lahat. Yes. So hindi kasi ako basta-basta naniniwala. Pero nung nasubukan ko to, ito na yon. So bumabalik na yung alam yung sinasabi nila kasi mula nung November, meron pa akong dagdag pa pala na muntik ko na makalimutan. Pambabae ito. Pambabae ito. Mula nung November hanggang March, honestly, meron akong hormonal imbalance. So, ang hormonal imbalance kasi 44 na ako ngayon, hindi siya tumitigil as in sobra. So, ngayon, siguro, marami nang nag-isip na marami na akong naisip na ano to, baka maubusan ako ng dugo kasi ang hormonal imbalance hindi yan tumitigil. So, marami ng gamot pero ganun pa rin siya eh. Nung nagsimula na ako nito, medyo dumandahan-dahan na siyang naging light hanggang sa nawala na siya.
Wow!
At nung nawala na siya, nagbalik na nung normalization at bumalik yung fertility ko.
Naging juicy ulit, naging fertile si ate. My God! Iba ka talaga, STC 30. Yehey!
Hindi ako naniniwala na, pero nung masubukan ko at nangyari sa akin, ngayon wala na akong ibang tinitira, kundi ito lang.
Yeah!
So thank you Lord, kasi nang dahil dito, healthy na ako at balik sa dati, at feeling ko, mas younger ako than before.
Yeah! Okay, let's play another testimony. Bata naman 'to mga kapatid. So tingnan natin kasi pwede po sa mga bata, ano?
Hello everyone, my name is Dominic Alfonso Orqueso Omanchi, and this is how STC30 helped my life so much. So just a few weeks ago, I had a lot of rashes on my eyes, and I was having tummy ache a lot. But thanks to STC30, I drink it every day before my bedtime. Now look, there's wala na. Thank you to STC30 for helping me come over my sickness.
Right, next. Ito, nakaka-inspire din to, ano, ito ay testimony sa Pilipinas.
Ako, nakahiga na ako sa duyan. Pinadala ko lang po sa Jensen ng isang box. Nagulat po ako. Pangalawa dumating dito sa Maynila. Pinuntahan ako sa bahay sa Cavite. Hindi po ako nag-Santa Rosa, sa Cavite po ako nauwi. No? Ito po yung pinsan ko, dinatang ko. Talagang puluntoy na po siya, kalbo na siya. One time lang siya kinimulaglag yung katawan. So tayo na nandito, sabi ko po sa inyo, i-open nyo yung mga mind nyo habang may pagkakataon pa binibigay ang Diyos sa inyo. Habang may binibigay pa pagkakataon sa inyo ang Diyos, i-grab nyo na yung opportunity. Ang buhay po para pong pera yan, pag ginastos nyo, wala na yan. Tama? So habang nandito yung opportunity na napakagandang produkto na ito na STC30, ngingiti-ngitian lang natin yan, pero pagka pumasok sa katawan niya, makita niyo yung improvement agad-agad.
Yes.
Hindi po maganda ang STC30. Sobrang ganda.
Yun.
Diba? Palakpakan po natin ang STC30. Meron pa po dito eh. Nasaan yung isa? Yan po, 11:45 nung pinainom ko siya. Tinatanggihan niya na lahat ng gamot na ipinainom sa kanya ng nurse. Ito ay 4:30.
Everyone, my name is Earl Chelsea C. Umpad.
So ito ipa-play na lagi naman yung nakikita, ano, yung ating 17 years old po na mayroong chronic kidney disease na naka-recover din because of STC30. Anak po ito ng isang nurse dito sa Dubai. Alright? And then marami
Everyone, my name is
testimony. Ito yung sa Pilipinas na candidate for dialysis, hindi na natuloy. O isang and then yung pharmacist na mayroong anemia yung parents and multiple health problem na tulungan din ng STC30. Alright? So sa mga kapatid, in summary, ang STC30 po is here. Made available to every one of us. Sabi nga ng mga nagsasabi ng testimony, so wag na nating palampasin yung opportunity na binibigay ng Diyos sa atin araw-araw. Hanggat may opportunity na binibigay ang Diyos sa atin araw-araw para mabago yung health mo, gain back your health, so try STC30. Ang STC30 po ay hindi maganda. Ito po ay maganda. Life is super. Thank you so much. Back to you, Coach Sandra.
Ayan. So talagang life is super. Grabe. Congratulations, Coach D. Akala ko more than 1 year na ako sa Super Life. Akala ko alam ko ng lahat. Yun pala, ang dami-dami pa talagang hindi alam, or much better sabihin natin, mas lalong nadagdagan ang ating kaalaman. And I know for sure na halos lahat tayo dito, lalo na yung kahit na yung mga coaches before, for sure marami pa rin kayong natutunan sa presentation ni Coach D tonight. So for that, thank you so much, Coach D. Grabe, how to be you po. So anyway, dito na po tayo sa ating question. Open na po tayo sa mga questions or clarification. Pwede na po mag-open ng mic ang mga may gustong itanong or i-clarify. O, pwede na po. Huwag po tayong mahiya kung mayroon po tayong gustong i-question.
Hello po,
Ang ano nyo,
ako.
okay po.
Ako po, from Macau. First time ko pong nag-join dito, in-invite lang ako ng ka-churchmate ko.
Yes,
So, meron
ma'am.
akong
Ma'am
tanong po.
Jessie. Yes po.
Magandang
Welcome
gabi
po.
po sa lahat, all over the world. It's so nice to hear about this kind of product. Concern lang po ako doon sa magiging asawa ko soon, God's will. Kasi nag-start pa lang po yung ano niya, yung prostate niya. So, narinig ko sa kanila ni Nicole at saka si Cara about this. Kaya sabi ko, i-try natin ito. So, ang tanong ko po kung beginner pa lang siya, pwede ba siyang, hindi ba siya ma-overdose kung ganun, kung ano yung 3 times a day po ba? Kasi pag start kasi sumasakit na kasi, palagi nang sumasakit. Nabunta kasi siya sa doktor. Ang sabi kasi sa kanya, na ano daw, ito yung sakit mo. Nag-worried siya, so nag-worried din ako. Kaya sabi ko, merong ito siya na stem 30 nasa Super Life. I-try mo. Kaya, pwede ba siyang 3 sa isang araw mag-take? Although, hindi pa siya naka-start kasi magpapadala pa lang para sa health niya. Pwede po siyang, ma'am,
Okay po. Ma'am Jessie
okay,
from Macau ano po. Yes po, ma'am.
sir,
Para sa bali
coach.
TC30 ay wala overdose. There's no overdose, no side effects, at no contraindication. So no overdose, ibig sabihin ma'am, lahat po ng ingredients natin ay all naturals. Nakita niyo na po lahat ay naturals. So
Opo.
kasi pag sinabi mong naturals, no, wala pong overdose yan. No contraindication, ibig sabihin kung may tinitake naman po yung asawa niyo ng mga gamot or maintenance, it will not complicate those kind of medicine. Instead,
Meron yan.
it will speed up the healing process nung ano po. Wag lang isasabay.
Ang sabi ko kasi, stop na niya yung galing sa doktor na reseta kasi gusto ko ito ang ipa-start ko sa kanya.
Opo, maganda po yun, ma'am. Okay na po yung dosage na 3 times a day. Basta tamang ano po ha.
Tapos hanggang ilang buwan po yung 3 times a day kung hindi na niya maramdaman.
Ang STC30, okay, ang minimum dosage administration po ng STC30 talaga ay 30 days. Kaya nga po ng STC30. Okay, pero ang STC30 may therapy o depende sa kondisyon. It could be 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. Okay, depende po sa response. Ang katawan po natin may kanya-kanyang body system. Yung iba may epekto after 1 week, yung iba after 2 weeks, yung iba after 1 box, yung iba after 1 month.
Praise God.
Na maraming nire-repair ang sakit, yung iba 45 days. Kaya nga, tingnan po natin after 30 days. Basta sundin nyo lang po yung dosage na 3 times a day. Sabi po sa inyo na Coach Sandra, and that is well enough, good enough po yun.
Yun ang sabi niya, baka daw ma-overdose siya. Sabi ko, mag-join ako sa kanila sa Zoom. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung hindi ba daw siya ma-overdose.
Wala po.
Mabuti naka-join ako dito. So, bali, kung just in case na hindi na palagi sumasakit yung ano niya, maramdaman yung sakit na every 3 times a day. So, patuloy pa rin sa pangalawang buwan. 3 times a day pa rin po, Coach.
Hindi na po. Bali, kapag gumanda ng condition niya, malaki na ang progress po. So, i-decrease natin yung dosaging. From 2 to 1, ganun na lang. Pero siyempre, after 30 days at medyo maganda progress ng kanyang ng kondisyon niya, pwede pong magpa-check up siya at doktor na mismo ang magsasabi yung condition or yung status mismo ng kanyang kondisyon. And then from that, kung nakita na ng doktor na normal na po, so pwede na lang po yung once a day as his maintenance po.
Okay. Kasi yung plano ko, 3 times a day, 1 month. Tapos 2 times a day din pag pangalawang buwan. Parang doktor ko.
Ganun po
maganda pala yung
ang
3 times.
po. Ang STC30.
Hindi mabuti pala, Coach. 3 times a day within 2 months. Para sure, di ba?
Opo, ay
Kung
actually mas
kahit
maganda po
okay
'yun.
na.
Kung baga practically mas maganda po talaga. Pero yun nga tulad sa sinabi ko po after 30 days,
Kung may progress na.
ipa-check up niyo po siya kung ano yung condition niya. Kung medyo mabagal ang
Opo.
progress, so dire-diretso lang po hanggang 2 months. Basta yung
Okay,
ano
hanggang maging okay.
yung pag-decrease po ng dosaging is depende dun sa ano yung kanyang kondisyon after all.
Opo, opo, opo. Sige po, salamat po. Salamat din po sa naka-join ako dito.
Ayan, thank you so much,
Opo.
Ma'am Jessie.
So,
Coach D, ito po siya yung sinasabi ko from Maryland. So, ang susunod na mag-question ay si Coach Meche, Panzo Empowered Sarja. Open your mic, Coach.
A blessed evening po sa lahat sa Pilipinas and din dito po sa UAE. Ayun po, hello Super Life family. We have attendees po here. Bago po siya, may tanong po siya. So, actually, he's taking a maintenance po. Meron po siyang BP, diabetes, at saka cholesterol. Ang tanong po niya, hindi po ba delikado na mag-stop sa maintenance na binigay ng doctor as replacement? Kasi po yun po ay medical advice.
Okay. So, tulad sinabi ko kanina, kung kayo ay meron na pong existing maintenance, alright, na recommended ng mga doctors, hindi nyo po kailangang itigil yan. Hindi nyo po kailangang tanggalin at palitan ng STC-30. Ang gagawin nyo lang po, isasabay nyo lang si STC-30. Ibig sabihin, okay, unang-una, di ba, unang-una in the morning, ginagamit nyo po yung STC-30. Huwag nyo lang pong pagsasabayin. Pag sinabi mong pagsasabayin, tinake mo yung STC-30 at the same time tinake mo yung, yung maintenance. Hindi po. So halimbawa, nagigising ka ng 6 o'clock, take STC-30. 6:30, uminom ka ng tubig. 7 o'clock, mag-breakfast ka. Then kung may maintenance ka, so pwede mong i-take yan between 9, after 9 or 10 a.m. na. Basta minimum of 2 hours from taking STC-30. Till such time, okay, kasi na medyo malaki na yung progress. Kasi ang gagawin po ng STC-30, tutulungan, okay, yung katawan niya to speed up the healing process. Alright, till next hanggang sa mag-normalize na yung kanyang kondisyon at doktor na magsasabi mismo that hindi mo na kailangan ng maintenance. Tandaan mo mga kapatid, ang maintenance is not a medicine. Okay? Ano lang 'yan, parang pang-paampat lang, pampakalma.
pain relief.
That walang healing properties. Hindi ka ginagamot kaya nga medicine for life. But the thing is, because of the medical doctor's advice and giving you that psychological threat na kapag hindi ka nag-maintenance, ito mangyayari sa'yo, hindi po. Uulitin ko that our body has our own power of healing. Kahit hindi natin kailangan. Ang kailangan mo lang palakasin ay ang mga cells mo. Kaya nga nandito na si STC-30.
Ayan, so nasagot po ba, Coach Mitch, ang tanong mo? Okay na po ba tayo doon?
Yes po, salamat po Coach D and Coach Sandra.
Ayan, welcome po. So, any question or clarification? Mayroon pa ba? Huwag po tayo mahiya, tayo-tayo lang naman dito eh. Opportunity na natin ito na makapagtanong sa the one and only. Para puro talaga full information po tayo bago tayo umalis sa Zoom na ito. So anyway, kung wala na pong may gustong magtanong, mayroon naman pong gustong mag-testimony ng kanyang napakagandang experience sa ating STC-30. Ma'am Lourdes, can you open your mic and share us ng maganda mong testimony? Ma'am Lourdes. Ma'am, nakamute po ang ang mic mo. Ayan, habang waiting tayo kay Ma'am Lourdes, mag-testimony po ako personal talaga doon sa mga joint pains na sa mga joints ng mga kaso-kasuan. Syempre habang nagkakaedad tayo at sa daming trabaho na almost 12 to 15 hours ang tayo noon. So normal na talaga yan na magkakasakit ang mga kaso-kasuan. And good thing, alhamdulillah, dito sa STC30 nawala na po yan lahat. So yun po yun ang napakagandang nagawa din sa akin ng STC30. At ang syempre yung vertigo ko na 14 years ko nang iniinda. So STC30 din po yun ang nagpagaling. So sa halos lahat ng mga karamdaman sa katawan talagang inayos na ng STC30. That's why doon kanina sa question ni Coach din ang level ng ating health awareness, health knowledge ay 10 at how healthy we are now. So nilagay yung 9 dahil po yan sa tulong ng STC30. Ma'am Lourdes, okay ka na po ba? Or baka nandyan ang andyan ang kanyang employer at alanganin siyang
Naka-unmute na siya.
Okay, sige go! Ayan, talagang level up na rin si ma'am, naka-mute ka? Naririnig niyo ba siya or ako lang hindi nakarinig?
Mahina ang signal.
Huwag ka na lang siguro mag-headset, ma'am. Choppy ka, ma'am, choppy. Choppy ka. Putol-putol yung dating mo.